Hey everyone! Today, I want to dive into something we often take for granted, but that can be truly transformative for our health: walking. I know, it sounds almost too simple, but the power of a daily walk can be incredible. Walking is one of the easiest, most accessible forms of exercise. You don't need a gym, special equipment, or even a set plan. Just slip on a pair of comfortable shoes, step out the door, and you're ready to go. Walking is great because it fits into almost any lifestyle and fitness level. Whether you're a busy professional, a parent, or someone who hasn't exercised in a while, walking is gentle enough for everyone but powerful enough to deliver serious benefits. It's also flexible. You can walk in the morning to start your day, during lunch breaks, or after dinner. And if you're a nature lover, walking gives you the perfect excuse to explore your surroundings and soak up some fresh air. Now, here's why regular, moderate physical activity, like walking, is essential. First, it helps protect your heart. Just 30 minutes of brisk walking most days can lower your risk of heart disease, reduce blood pressure, and improve circulation. It also helps with weight management, keeping those extra pounds in check while boosting your metabolism. But that's not all. Walking isn't just about physical health. It also strengthens your mental well-being. Taking a walk releases feel-good endorphins, helping to reduce stress and anxiety. And if you walk outdoors, exposure to natural light can regulate your mood and even improve sleep quality. Think about this. When you build a routine around walking, you're investing in a healthier, longer, and more enjoyable life. So, if you haven't already, why not make walking a regular part of your day? Start small and gradually increase the time or pace. Trust me, it's a simple habit that delivers big results. Let's walk our way to health, one step at a time. Next, let's talk about a key benefit of walking that's close to the heart, literally. Walking is a fantastic way to improve cardiovascular health, and here's why it matters. When you make walking a part of your routine, you're actively working to lower your risk of heart disease and stroke. Heart disease is one of the leading health concerns worldwide, but a simple, regular walking routine can make a huge difference. Just 30 minutes of brisk walking most days can reduce your risk significantly. How does it work? Walking boosts your circulation, which helps your blood flow more efficiently throughout your body. This not only brings oxygen and nutrients to your cells, but also helps clear out waste products. Over time, this keeps your arteries healthy and supports overall heart function. Plus, walking strengthens the heart muscle itself. The more you walk, the more resilient your heart becomes, which is essential for handling daily activities and unexpected stress. So, if you're looking for a natural, easy way to support your heart health, walking is the perfect place to start. Just a few minutes each day can add years to your life. Let's take those heart-healthy steps together. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's start with one of the most popular benefits: weight management. Walking is a simple and effective way to burn calories and control weight, helping us maintain a healthy body. Keeping our weight in check supports everything from heart health to reducing stress on our joints. Regular walking can actually reduce our risk of type 2 diabetes. It works by increasing insulin sensitivity, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. With a daily walk, we're supporting our body's ability to manage glucose, reducing diabetes risk, and promoting overall metabolic health. Moving on, walking strengthens muscles, especially in our lower body, and improves bone density. It's a weight-bearing activity that reduces the risk of osteoporosis and frailty as we age, making it a powerful ally for keeping bones strong and muscles engaged. Walking boosts our lung capacity by increasing oxygen intake. This means better respiratory health and improved oxygen delivery to cells throughout the body, which is especially beneficial for endurance and daily activities. Next up, walking boosts our immune system. Studies suggest that regular walkers may experience an increase in white blood cells, which help fight off illnesses. Walking outdoors also means more fresh air, which can help our immune system prepare to fend off common illnesses. One of my favorite benefits is how walking supports mental health. It releases endorphins, our body's natural mood boosters, which help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Whether you're walking solo or with a friend, this simple activity can truly lift your spirits. Now, let's talk about the brain. Walking has been shown to improve memory, focus, and cognitive function. It can reduce the risk of cognitive decline and even dementia. Think of it as a daily boost for our brain, keeping it sharp and active as we age. Ever felt tired in the middle of the day? A short walk can do wonders to combat fatigue and boost our energy levels as it increases oxygen flow and helps release natural energy-boosting chemicals. If sleep is something you struggle with, walking may help. Studies show that walking outdoors in the morning can regulate our circadian rhythm. By getting sunlight exposure and physical activity, we're setting ourselves up for better, deeper sleep and reduced insomnia. For those dealing with joint pain or arthritis, walking is a low-impact exercise that can actually lubricate and strengthen our joints. Walking is especially helpful for keeping our knees and hips in good condition. If you've ever felt bloated after a meal, a quick walk might be the answer. Walking encourages movement in our intestines, aiding digestion and making it easier for our bodies to process food more efficiently. Walking is an incredible tool for heart health. Regular walks have been shown to lower both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, reducing the risk of hypertension. It's a natural way to keep our blood pressure in check and support overall cardiovascular health. As we get older, balance becomes a crucial aspect of health. Walking helps improve our stability and coordination, lowering the risk of falls and keeping us agile and steady on our feet. Here's a lesser-known benefit. Walking has been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, particularly breast and colon cancer. Regular physical activity helps regulate hormone levels and supports immune function, which may protect us against cancer. When we walk outside in nature, we're not just moving our bodies. We're connecting with the environment, which further enhances our mood and builds emotional resilience. Walking gives us time to clear our minds and connect with ourselves, boosting emotional health. If a longer life is what you're aiming for, walking can help. Research links regular walking with a longer lifespan. It's a gentle yet powerful way to support a long and healthy life. Walking can also improve our posture by strengthening the muscles along our spine and core. A proper walking stance can realign our body and counteract some of the effects of prolonged sitting. Ever been stuck on a problem? Taking a walk might spark the solution. Walking breaks stimulate creative thinking and cognitive flexibility, which is why so many people take brainstorming walks to find new ideas. Last but not least, walking can foster social connections. Taking a walk with friends or family strengthens bonds and gives us the chance to connect in a relaxed, natural setting. Walking groups or clubs are also a great way to meet new people with similar interests. So there you have it, several incredible reasons to start walking every day. Whether you're walking for physical health, mental clarity, or just to enjoy some fresh air, every step counts. Start with small, consistent walks and gradually build up. Walking is a simple habit that brings profound benefits to both body and mind. Thanks for watching, and let's keep moving towards better health together. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay tuned for more insights.